for work because we have quite a few people who have dishes and stuff like that. And since it's portable and small, I can also use it whenever I go camping for extended periods of time. So I'll go ahead and I'm going to get this all opened up and we're going to get it fired up and take a look at it. The door opens smoothly. We have everything inside here. So I'm going to read the instructions. We're going to get it going. So far I have to say I'm pretty impressed with the quality of everything. We have our drains hose here. We have a container to fill the water at the top. So I'm going to read the instructions and we'll fire it up. So before taking this to work, I'm going to try it at home. I like all these different racks that we have for putting things in, our silverware. We can also just do vegetables if we want to on just a cold water setting to clean things out. So I'm going to fill it up with water and fill it up with some dishes and let's try it out. All right, I've got it all loaded up. It says it takes about 3 of the pitchers of hot water. So I'm almost got that filled up. I've got all the dishes in. I'm going to use the tank, the waterless, the faucetless setting at first because I'm going to be moving this to work. All right, it's beeped to let me know that it's full. Go ahead and put the lid back on. I have the cable running to the sink. I'm going to put dishwasher fluid in. Fill up the cap here. I'm going to close it up now. You see the light come on. Go ahead and hit the button here. We're going to go with the mode of, let's see here. Let's go with a normal cycle. We're going to go ahead and let it dry. And let's go ahead and start it. Filling up with water, and there we go. If we get to go back to work, this is going to be so cool. All right, so it's finished washing and now it's drying. And it says it has 60 minutes. So we'll see how they come out. All right, so we have about a minute left from the drying after it's been washing. It's pumping out the remaining water. So it shows everything being done, so we'll go ahead and open it up now. Take out the thing. The dishes are sparkling clean and completely dry. I'm very impressed with this.
Alright, we have a compact dishwasher here. As you can see, it comes with 2 hoses. This is for the water and this is for the drains. Alright, spacious. Just put it down, slide it out. Alright, countertop bucket, basket. Alright, super easy. There's nothing needed to install. Alright, here's your power buttons, stop mode, and you can choose different things like a full, echo, or normal. So far, it's been great. I like the light over there. And the dishwashing process is super fast.